This video is to show a testing procedure to determine whether the charger is working and charging the battery. Okay, so normally you have your backpack like this, which has got the battery inside and also the cable. So we're just going to take it out of the backpack so that it's clearer to see this test, what we're going to do. So you need a voltmeter, okay, and we need to put this onto volts DC. It needs to be on a setting with the straight line on it, which means DC, and this is a 12 volt battery, so it needs to be on the setting above the voltage. So you've got 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts. We need it on the 20 volts. If you put it on 2 and you then put 12 in it, there's a chance you could blow the meter. So always put it on the next setting above the voltage of the battery. We've got a red and a black cable, positive, negative. We're just going to test the voltage so you can see the voltage of this battery. So red to red, black to black. You can see that says 12.97 volts. Okay. Now, if you look at like a fully charged battery, this one here, a fully charged battery, when you put the voltmeter on it, you should be showing over 13 volts. So you can see there 13.48 volts. That is a fully charged battery. Okay, so if you've had your machine on charge overnight, that is the type of volt reading what you should be getting, somewhere between 13 and 13.5 volts, because this is a 12 volt battery. Okay, so if you put this on charge, really the green light should show on your charger because it's a fully charged battery. Now, if we're going to charge up the low battery, okay, remember this one is only 12.96 volts. Now, if this was completely dead, it could go down to 11.5 volts or 11 volts, something like that. So if we put the cable on it, this is the cable what goes into the backpack. You've got red to red, black to black, and this is the charger over here, okay, plugged in. So if we connect the charger to the battery, you'll see the red light on the charger should come on. That indicates that it's putting power into the battery and it's charging it. Now, if you want to determine whether this charger is actually putting any power down the cable, you can easily do that with the voltmeter. So if we now put these connections on here, red to red, black to black, you can see it's reading 14.45 volts. So earlier that showed 12.96 volts. Now it's showing 14. So that proves that the charger is putting power into the battery. So you know that charger is working. Now, what we will do is we'll just pull this charger out of the power while you can see the voltmeter, and then you'll see it'll drop back down. So we're just unplugging the charger now, and you can see the voltage has dropped straight down. Now, I'm holding the connections on the battery, and we're going to plug the charger back in now, and you'll see it jump up. Charger's now plugged in and you've seen the voltage go up. So that proves the charger is working. Okay, so this is the test you can do to determine whether the charger's at fault or the battery's at fault. If you can see the charger is putting power into the battery, but then the machine is only lasting like half an hour, you know, and if this is reading like 11 volts and you plug it into this and it goes up to like 13 volts, and even after 8 hours of charging, it drops back down to 10 or 11 volts, then you know you've got a defective battery.